Hey gents, this is Mr. Holding, and this quick video is just to show you how to simplify the sine ratio to take a few steps out of the equation. So if you look down here, I've got this equation, area equals half AB sine angle, okay, or whatever the angle is going to be. Now, before we get into that, probably need to explain how we do that. We know that sine of an angle is opposite of our hypotenuse, and we can rearrange that to have that the opposite side equals the hypotenuse, the long side, times sine, whatever the angle is. Okay. Now, in this case, this opposite is the perpendicular height. We're trying to find that out, and the reason we're trying to find that out so we can use it in this equation. All right. So we do all of this step so that we can find h, and then we can use it in this equation. So what if instead of using h, we just replace the h with this section here? And that gets us to this AB times sine theta. Alright, so we've replaced it there, hypotenuse times sine times angle, which is the same value as the opposite side, which is the perpendicular height. Okay, so by doing that, we're able to cut some steps out and simplify this by going area equals half times base times the this angle here, the other side, sine whatever the angle is, and we can go from there. So if we plug that into our calculator, 0.5 times 10 times 7 sine 30, we should come up with a value, which is 17.5 meters squared. Okay, so that's how we can use that. Now, I know sometimes trying to explain that can be a bit tricky, but basically if you start using this equation with A and B being these two side values, okay, it saves us having to go through a step. Okay, so hopefully you found this helpful. It might save you some time, but give it a go next time you're trying to use the sine ratio. Use this equation here, so area equals half AB sine angle. Alright, and hopefully it saves you a bit of time. Alright, hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, just let me know.